It's done. That is tree number 3. And it's a good thing too, because the frickin' skeeters are getting ridiculous out here. But yeah, she come down like a charm. Frickin' skeeters. Yeah, perfect. Oh, by the way, if you guys are wondering what I was using, this is my pole saw from Greenworks. And it's got an 8-inch blade on it. And frickin', yeah, first time I really kind of used it, I kind of tested it out on some small branches. And yeah, it works like a charm. And now it's cleanup time. But my brush piles are getting pretty frickin' ridiculous here. So I don't know. Maybe I'm going to have to be smoking over here more often. Take care of this. Yeah. Anyway, that was my fun for this morning. Maybe I'll go and work on that blazer today, or this afternoon. We'll have to see. Got that blazer all jacked up and ready to go. Get that back end working correctly. Anyway, oh, by the way, fancy pool. Yeah, swim laps in that sucker. All right. Okay, she's down. I gotta go ahead and call the wife and let her know I survived. All right. Peace out, bitches. Yeah.